Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my DIY charger case. So a few people asked me if I could do a video on my charger case, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk you through my case and how I kind of put it all together. In the description I'll do my best to put every item that I have in the case, just so you know where you can find it if you're interested. But otherwise, yeah, let's have a look at it. Alright everyone, here is my case. So this is the top hatch of the case. And then here is the bottom. So the case itself I got up here at a place called Canadian Tire. Very famous up here in Canada. But I've also seen similar cases at Home Depot. I'm going to try to look on Amazon or something like that to try to find you a similar case. But yeah, anyways, it was about $50 for the case itself. One of the first things you'll need to do is there's this kind of gray foam. This sort of like padded foam that comes with it. And I stripped it on the bottom, and then as you can see, I sort of stripped it up here as well. And then that way it makes it so you can put the Velcro on there. It'll stay on there much better. So I'll show you what I have on the bottom half of it. So first up, this is my charger for all my Audioroot batteries and Audioroot system. This one here, I have like a little monitor that I use sometimes on set. These are for the Sony L series batteries. I also use it for, they power the lights that I'm using right now. Oh yes, so this is take this out. You can kind of see, flip that around. So this is a 9-volt charger by EBL, a lithium 9-volt charger. And as you can see, it's an 8-bank, so it can do 8 batteries. But as you can kind of tell, I don't know. I decided I wanted to change it. So it's the new lithium charger that I picked up. And the thing about this one too is it is actually a 10-bank lithium charger. So 10 9-volts can go in here. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'll probably place it somewhere in there. The other thing I should mention about all my chargers are they're all slow chargers. They're not quick chargers at all. I mean, you can go online and really read a million debates on which is better, slow or quick. I just prefer slow. Yeah, so this is the power bar I picked up. I originally had a power bar that had 8 plugins, but I was finding with the shape of these two were blocking at least 2 plugins. So I bought this one because they're wider apart. Everything fits in a lot nicer. It has 4 USB ports, and that pretty much covers the bottom of the unit. And then over here is my cable-y sort of mess that I need to tidy up a little more. And then so up here, I have my AA chargers. They also charge AAAs, of course. I have one made by Titanium and one made by Tenergy, and they do up to 16 batteries at once. One thing that's nice about the Titanium, which you can't see here, but on the bottom, it actually has 2 USB ports. So it was super handy when I had travel jobs. I could take it with me and charge AA's while I charged my sync boxes. Then I picked this up recently, which is just a battery tester. And again, Velcro, of course. The other thing I should mention about the AA chargers is when you're doing the Velcro up here, I actually put some more crazy glue on the Velcro with the sticky stuff, just to give it a little more strength, because once you load these up with 16 batteries each, it gets pretty heavy. And when I originally did it, they would fall. So since I've glued it as well, it seems to be staying pretty good. And the right here is where all my USB stuff can be charged, like my sync boxes. That's generally what I do, and I just stick them on there with the Velcro. And then I also have this, which is just a little USB light. So this is the Velcro that I'm using in the kit. You can get it at places like Home Depot or Amazon. It's industrial strength, and you should always have it in your sound kit because this stuff is amazing. So the next thing I wanted to show you was this. It comes with this, which is for, you know, putting tools in if you wanted to, but obviously I'm using it for my cables. And then it just comes off like that. So yeah, that's kind of how I put the case together. Like I said before, I will try to put in the description links to all these items. Overall, I've been very happy with it. It is super handy just to be able to come home, put all your batteries in the charger, or just even being able to take it to set and have your batteries all being charged there. I hope you all found that useful. If you have any other suggestions on videos you'd like to see me do, please put them in the comments below. You can find me on all the social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram under Fierce Sound. And thank you for watching.